we come to the next topic of different types of voids: trigonal void, tetrahedral void, octahedral void and cubic void. Now, this all voids are present in different types of packing which are present, like AAA packing, ABAB packing, ABCA packing. In all these different packings, different types of voids present are this many. Alright, when you learn voids, remember to understand the position of the void, their coordination number, and how many voids are present per sphere of packing. So, first void we like to understand. The first void is, now before we understand, you should know the best packing or the most efficient packing is CCP, also called as FCC or HCP, and they have 74% of the space occupied. That means 26% of the space is empty. Empty space is also called as voids. Now, size of the void can be best expressed by a term called as radius ratio, where small r stands for radius of a sphere that will exactly fit into the void. Capital R is a radius of the surrounding sphere which makes up that void. Now, there are various types of voids depending upon their size and number of the spheres. We are going to learn first void, trigonal void. Trigonal void is a void present between three spheres. If you are able to see, we have drawn a small sphere exactly fitting into a trigonal void. Now, if you join the three spheres surrounding the trigonal void, you will actually get an equilateral triangle. Now, the trigonal void, which has been shown by a small sphere at the center, that trigonal void is surrounded by how many spheres? It is surrounded by three spheres. Therefore, coordination number of trigonal void is 3. Now, if you use trigonometry and you find out the size of that trigonal void size, and you compare with the size of the sphere which makes up that trigonal void, then the radius ratio by trigonometry has been calculated as 0.155 for trigonal void. Again, the small r stands for radius of a sphere which exactly fits into the void, and capital R stands for radius of the sphere which makes up that void. So, if you want to see, this is what is small r and this is nothing but your capital R. Trigonal void. Tetrahedral void. Now, if you see, this type of packing was present in ABAB packing and also in ABCA packing. That means, this void that we are trying to say, tetrahedral void that we are trying to say, is present in both the type of packing ABAB, ABCA. ABAB, if you remember, was responsible for HCP and ABCA was responsible for CCP or FCC. That means, the void present in ABAB and the void present in ABCA are of the same type. They are tetrahedral void and octahedral void. Now, what is a tetrahedral void? If you check, if this is taken as sphere number 1, sphere number 2 and this is taken as sphere number 3, then are you able to see this dotted which I am trying to show is a sphere below. So, a void present between this 4 sphere is nothing but called as tetrahedral void. Now, if you see an octahedral void, this one, if I am shading it, then are you able to see as if there is a therefore which is seen here, therefore. Now, if you see below, right, there are 3 spheres which I am shading it in different manner below exactly. The void present between them is called as octahedral void. So, void trapped between 4 sphere, tetrahedral void. A sphere, right, void trapped between 6 sphere is called as octahedral void. Point to be noted, tetrahedral void is present in both HCP as well as CCP or FCC. Tetrahedral void we like to see. Are you able to see 3 spheres? Above them there is a 4th sphere kept. then the void which is trapped between this 4 sphere is nothing but called as tetrahedral void or tetrahedral hole. If you are able to see this diagram, 3 spheres which have been shown by blue colored balls, and above that the red colored ball is getting placed, but that void which is there is called as tetrahedral void. Now, how to imagine a tetrahedral void? Imagine these are the spheres. These are the spheres. Imagine they are brought closer. Then whatever you are able to see, this is a carbon of a methane, can be considered as tetrahedral void. So, how to imagine a tetrahedral void? Imagine methane. Imagine methane. And in methane, imagine hydrogen as spheres. Actually, hydrogen are small, but you imagine big spheres, and carbon as another sphere which is exactly fitted as tetrahedral void. Here carbon is a larger sphere, but you imagine carbon as a smaller sphere and hydrogen as a larger sphere. That means this carbon is like our tetrahedral void, and hydrogens which are to be imagined as a bigger spheres are nothing but the actual spheres making up the tetrahedral void. Because it has a figure like tetrahedral, the void got the name as tetrahedral void. Tetrahedral void. So, that was about tetrahedral void. Now, what is the coordination number of tetrahedral void? Coordination number of tetrahedral void will be 4. Why coordination number of tetrahedral void will be 4? Because it is surrounded by 4 spheres. So, because it is surrounded by 4 spheres, its coordination number is 4. After tetrahedral void discussion, we like to understand what is the position of tetrahedral void. Now, for that we have taken FCC unit cell. If you take FCC unit cell, you have to imagine this sphere. Now, how a tetrahedral void is remembered? They are remembered like as if you are having a therefore like 3 spheres. Above that you are trying to spherate, put the 4th sphere. Or you can remember it as since like 3 spheres, and above that you are trying to spherate, put the 4th sphere, then whatever the void is trapped is called as tetrahedral void. Now, imagine this is like a therefore. This is like a therefore. Are you understanding? Sphere number 1, sphere number 2, sphere number 3, and this sphere which will be placed on this 3 spheres, this sphere which will be placed on this 3 spheres, then the space empty is called as which void? Tetrahedral void. It's called as tetrahedral void. Better imagination is from here to here. If you plot a line, then it is called as body diagonal. This is body diagonal. On that body diagonal, this is body center. This is body center. I will write on BC, and this is your sphere. Between body center and the sphere, the void that you will get will be called as tetrahedral void. So, tetrahedral void is like this. Now, if you see sphere number 1 is face center, if you sphere number 3 is face center, if you see this sphere which is also as face center, 4th sphere. So, 3 face centers and 1 corner, the space trapped between them is called as tetrahedral void. So, that tetrahedral void has been shown here. This is sphere number 1 which was a face center, this is space sphere number 3 which was face center, this is sphere number 4 which is also space center, and this is corner. You have to imagine sphere number 1, sphere number 2 and sphere number 3 are actually making a therefore, and sphere number 4 is placed over those 3 spheres. Then whatever empty space that you will get will be called as tetrahedral void. If I want to say, if this is a body diagonal, this is a body center, and this is one of the corner, then here is a tetrahedral void. So, tetrahedral void is a center of body center and corner. Similarly, if there is a tetrahedral void on this side, then there is a corner here also. So, between body center and corner, the space empty is called as which void? Tetrahedral void. That means body diagonal, one body diagonal will have 2 tetrahedral voids. So, it is a void surrounded by 4 spheres, therefore, coordination number is 4. So, again for you to know, tetrahedral void coordination number is 4. Set of void, octahedral void. Now, this octahedral void along with tetrahedral void is present in AB packing and ABCA packing. If you want to know again, AB packing is responsible for hexagonal closed packing HCP, ABCA packing is responsible for CCP or FCC. You want to see an octahedral void? It has been labeled as O. So, all those which has been labeled as O are called as octahedral void. Now, if you pick up any octahedral void, then imagine the sphere which are present below, which has been shown by shaded or lighter red color lines. If you check this, then they appear like sins, and above that if you try to get this which is appearing like therefore, then whatever is void trapped is called as octahedral void. So, we remember as if there is a lower layer of therefore and upper layer of since, then whatever void is trapped is called as octahedral void. Position of an octahedral void or more information about octahedral void we like to understand. Octahedral void, are you able to see? The three spheres with a blue colored ball are making the lower layer. This is lower layer and the red colored sphere make up upper layer, and between them whatever is trapped is called as octahedral void. So, here you are able to clearly observe the octahedral void, also called as octahedral hole. How to imagine octahedral void? Imagine SF6 sulfur, fluorine, 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 fluorine and fluorine. Although fluorine are smaller atom, in this case imagine fluorine as larger spheres, and although sulfur is a larger atom, imagine it is a smaller sphere, and that small sphere is nothing but our octahedral void. So, you should know the things trapped here in this space. This void is nothing but octahedral void. So, you should imagine in SF6 sulfur is your octahedral void and 6 fluorine are your spheres which are trapping that octahedral void. So, this is how right will be there. This is octahedral void. Although here green spheres are looking small, remember the spheres are much larger than octahedral void. So, that was information about octahedral void. It is trapped between 6 spheres, therefore, its coordination number is 6. It is trapped between 6 spheres, coordination number is 6. If you want to recall, trigonal void coordination number was 3, tetrahedral void coordination number was 4, octahedral void is coordination number is 6.